Today we have a Peterbilt garbage truck that just had a number of lights and cameras installed. We started out in the front by adding LED hideaways in the front. Below in the bumper are two Moss 981s grille light heads. All across the front grille we added 7 ultra-thin 6 LED light heads. Above the cabin we have a 6-head waterproof light bar. On the side fenders are more light heads in amber and white. We also added 2 more by the splash guards. Up top is a high 6 LED floodlight. Now around the back we added 2 more ultra-thin 6 LED light heads. We added an additional 6 Moss 209s along the top there as well. Now let's step inside the cabin. The strobe lighting and work lights are activated by a press of these switches. And on the dash is a large 7-inch AHD 2-channel monitor to view your surroundings. With the help of cameras surrounding this truck, you have full viewing coverage. Signaling to either side will activate the respective camera. If you're turning right, you'll see what's there. Turning left, and you activate the left camera. Here at Movin On, we have the experience and knowledge to have your fleet accessorized. Give us a call today or come check us out online.